Welcome back to our channel Ambrosia Secrets. Today we are featuring you non-alcoholic strawberry mojito, absolutely for strawberry lovers. Here I have some strawberries, fresh mint leaves, some limes, lime juice as well, salt, sugar, ice cubes, and a lemonade. This is one of my favorite beverage all the time. Let's check it out how to make this mojito mocktail. Well, I'm going to start with mint leaves. Just break it into little halves like this way to make the process easier, and put them all into the glass and crush using a wooden spatula or something well enough. Give it a good crush. Then take the lime juice and add sugar into it and mix well together until sugar dissolves. Then pour the mixture into the glass. Now take the limes and cut it all up into little pieces as the way you like it. Now put all the cutted limes into the glass and crush again all together. Right now, you can just do with your strawberries. Just slice it all up. You better slice into thin layers, which is better for easy crushing. To get a rich strawberry flavor, you have to crush your cutted strawberries well. I use the same wooden spatula for this. Once you are done, your strawberries should look like this way. Add it into the glass and give it a mix slightly. Lemonade helps to enhance the flavor of this mojito, or either you can just add club soda instead. you for watching. If you like us, tell your friend. If not, just kidding. Forget it.